Okay, students, stand up. Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Thank you. Sit down. How are you today? Me too. Thank you. So, guys, let's start today's English lesson. So, now, what date is it today? Today of January, yeah? Now, before starting the lesson, I would like to divide it into three groups, such as these flashcards, yeah? So, look, in here we have phones, and now we should unlock this and look at the sign, yeah? And after, we should find our seats, yeah? Now, please take this one by one. Okay. Please. Okay. Daniel. So please. So do you watch? Do you see this? Yes. Okay, please sit down and sit your places. Okay, hurry up, hurry up. Yes. So, let's look. The first group is today game. The second, what is it? Puzzle game and 3D games. Okay, thank you. So let's start. So, okay, now I will check your home task for today. Guys, what was about our previous lesson? What was home task for today? It's apps on the go. So, do you know a lot of apps? For example, yes, yeah, yeah, Shazam. Okay, good. And also Telegram, yeah, TikTok, okay, YouTube, and also Twitter. Okay. What? InDriver. Okay. Okay. What's up? Okay. Now, and here I have a task. It's about your home task. Please, Raslan, come to me. And here we have a definition. Now, that's why we should take one picture and find this definition. Okay. So, please.
The program is designed for creating edited text of articles, photos as well. All the documents.
Yeah, what is it? Microsoft Word. Yeah, of course. Thank you. Good job. Raslan, 1 coin for you. So please, we can come.
It's Apple where you can get in with each other before it's Telegram.
Yeah, good job. Thank you, Burkin. Jilas, come. So, listen.
Social network you share funny videos with music. And it's a TikTok.
Yes, social nets where we can share funny videos and music. Okay? Oh, thank you. That's for you. Time viewers, come. Okay.
One of the most popular video hosting and the second site in the world by the number of
visitors. Yeah, what is it? It's a YouTube. Good job. Please. Tanyar, come. So please read.
It's up where you can buy anything.
Yes. What is it?
AliExpress?
Yes, of course. We can buy them anything. So, Mirbek. Okay, the last. This,
Except where we can find a lot of music without knowing them.
Yeah.
It's a shadow.
Yes, of course. Good job. Tak. Aynas.
share your moments and see the other photos.
Yes.
Instagram.
It's Instagram, of course. Thank you. In the last, Жұлдызка. Жұлдыз.
Except where you can call the text.
Okay. It's of course in driver, yeah? Thank you. Thank you, guys. So let's carry on. Okay, now pay attention at this screen. And here we have such a game. It's a rebus, yeah? We should solve the rebus. Please try this. For example, this is play. It's a garden. We should remove 4 letters in the back. And ma'am. And today's, yes, today's our theme about play games, yeah? Okay, thank you. Now, guys, open your books on page number 40. Yeah? Please open. Today also we are going to talk about types of the game, yeah? So, before starting the lesson, I would like to tell about evaluating, yeah? Do you have a coins, yeah? Such as, we should, for each correct answer, we should, I will give you one, and we should, for each correct answer, I will give you these coins, and you should put on your waist, yeah? And at the end, we will count them, okay? So, let's continue. Okay, new vocabulary. So, please pay attention at the screen. Listen me carefully and what? Repeat after me. Okay. Make a comeback. Okay. Code. Interact. Simplistic. Okay. Complex. Open world adventure. Okay. Capture the imagination. Okay. Tutorial. Downloadable content. Suitable. And arcade. Thank you. Please, you can write down on your copybook, yeah? Let's write down. So, have you done? Yes. Okay, so let's carry on. Okay, now in here we have a video about 2D games on the wall, yeah? Now please pay attention. Okay.
The world of 2D gaming. You may think that games with 2D computer graphics are a thing of the past, but these cartoon-like games are making a surprise comeback. In the 1970s and 1980s, there were no consoles to play your favorite 2D games on in the comfort of your own home. People went to amusement arcades to play on game machines. There, they defended the Earth from alien spaceships or bounced around in platform games. In these games, The characters run left or right across the screen, leaping from one platform to the next. The arcade video games may seem simplistic compared to today's complex open-world adventures, but these games captured the imagination of a whole generation of gamers. In the 1980s and 90s, programmers began developing games with 3D computer graphics. These were more realistic and allowed the players more freedom to explore the virtual world. New games consoles used all the power of newer technology to create open-world games with immersive gameplay. It seemed that the days of 2D gaming were over. However, as smartphones became the must-have gadget for the new millennium, designers were looking for games that could be played on them. 2D games were cheaper to produce and didn't require as much computer memory. That meant that they were more suitable for handheld devices. With the rise in popularity of old games, console makers have released modern versions of old 2D consoles that are sold as collector's items, and new games are still being produced. So, while excellent graphics and complex gameplay are a must for any serious gamer, it seems there's still a place in their hearts for simpler games of the past.
Yes. Okay. So it was interesting. Yes. So how do you think what was about this video? So your opinion. Yeah. So, yeah. Please stand up and give your opinion. Nowadays we have a lot of games, types of games, yeah, and also working.
My opinion of this video,
Yeah.
I'm talking about creating the games
Yeah.
created in 1917 and 1918 years, and with time created and through the games
Yeah.
that was more interesting, more realistic, and more freedom than to the games.
Yes.
But now also in our phone we have to the games.
Hmm.
And
And
in my opinion, the games better
more,
than
better than 2D games. Okay, thank you. The other students, do you have answers? Nurgul, what can you say about this video?
This will talk about 2D games.
Yeah, and 3D games. Yeah, there's differences between the
3D games more reality than 2D games.
yeah,
And more funniest.
funny. Okay, and
That's all.
that's all. Okay, thank you. Let's start doing these exercises. Yeah. Okay. So exercise number 1 on page 14 with strategy, pictures, speak. I have a paper in first group and it's for second group and it's for third group, yeah? And here we should write down more information, yeah, about items, yeah? Okay, let's start. Okay, let's start. Yes, we should complete and give your advice. Yeah, yes, of course. Okay. Please work in a group, yeah? Work in a group. Work together. Yeah. We use a smartphone to what? For example, to use what? Wait a minute, please. With the other groups, okay? The first group, have you done? Okay. So we use a tablet to what? For example, to watch the films. I don't know. More information, please. Give more information. Okay, good. Okay. Tanyar, work together, please. What are you doing? Pen driver. Have you done? Okay, you can read your opinion, please, Mirbek. Let's begin. So, show this. Okay, let's.
We use a tablet to play and watch the film, videos,
Videos and
to know
also
yes.
to get more information, yeah? New information. Okay, please, the second, Arjan. Okay, Tamiris. Please.
You see a keyboard, right, talk, right, press, talk with this.
Okay. We use, what is it? Keyboard. To what? To write. To.
Friends,
Yes.
play
Okay.
games.
Okay, please, again. Wait a minute, please.
We use a monitor to mirror things. For example, you can watch.
Okay.
That's all.
We can watch TVs or programs, yeah? Okay. Please, let's begin. Majina, please show the other students your picture. Show. Yeah. What is it?
Speakers.
Yeah, it's a speakers then. Yeah.
We use the speakers, perhaps audio output that can be heard by the listener.
Yeah, of course. The second, please, Jonas.
We use the play console and game console, and the computer can be used in conjunction editing.
Okay. This is consoles, yeah? So, are you ready? Let's go.
We use a smartphone and
Yes.
calling other people playing games.
Call the other people and play.
Play games.
Okay. Aslan,
We use headphones to listen to music.
just listen music. Okay. So good job. Nurgul.
We use a pen driver, download documents and another information.
Another what?
Another information.
To get another information. Save. To save another information, yeah? Сохранить, да? Okay, good. Thank you. So, the next task. Okay. It's a task number 2 on page number 41, yeah? We should fill in with new vocabulary. In your books, we have, and here we, new vocabularies. And here, okay. So, are you ready?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. The other students, are you ready for this So please, Madina, come. Take the chalk. Take the chalk. And here. So please, collectors. Item, yeah? Correct. Good. Next. Bibars. Come.
Must have gadget.
Must have gadget. Okay. Have gadget, So, okay, come. Come. So.
Platform games.
Huh?
Platform games.
Platform games. Okay, good. So. Computer. Okay, come. Computer memory. So, this is computer memory. Okay. So wait a minute, please. Okay, good job. Okay, Bivars. It's a device. Handheld device. Okay. Nurgul, come. Open world games. Dilnas. You can write down this task. Game machines. Okay, good. And then we'll be careful. Down. Yes, thank you. So, yeah, okay. So, let's relax, yeah? So, I have a... Wait a minute, please. Okay. Now we can relax and just play the game, yeah? In this game we have to find movie's name with listening these sounds, okay? These songs. So please be carefully and listen. Okay. Let's go. Okay, let's start our game. In this game, we should listen carefully and define the names of movie, yeah? By their soundtrack. So, be carefully. Soundtrack. Now wait a minute. What is it?
Star Wars.
Star Wars, yeah. Star Wars, yeah. Okay, good. 2 points. So let's. I know. Yes. In English. Bus. Yes, Ghostbusters, good job. Yeah, listen carefully, guys. Yes, good job. Next. The next. Listen, listen. Think over, think over. What kind of? What is it? No. No. Okay. Okay. The next. Adventures. It's correct. Harry Potter, okay? Harry Potter, I know. Good job. Be active, please. Okay, of course it's Harry Potter. Okay, that's it. The next. In English. What? Pirates. Oh. Yes, good job. So next, please say in English, okay? So next. Yeah, of course. Of the credit dance. The next. Sorry. It's назад будущее, yes. Girls, please, girls. No? It's a film. It's about spy. So. No, not spy. No, please think. Oh my gosh. Please think over. Давай. Mission Impossible. Next. I don't know. Really, I don't know. Okay. I think this is last step. Okay. Mr. Red? I don't know. Yes. It's a pink. Yes, pink. Yes. 1 point for you, 1 point for you. Okay. Pink. So good. Thank you. Very good. Very good. It was your warm up, yeah? So let's turn on the task. Okay. It's your conclusion task, yeah? So look and here. Do you have the paper with questions? Do you have? Please? Yeah. And here we have questions about the same. Now we should read and understand and answer the question. Please, you can write down more information about this, yeah? So, yeah, yes. Write down. Yeah. Let's go. Please work together, Danyar. work together. Okay.
Google'dan right?
So easy. I don't know. But maybe you. Have you done? Or not?
No.
Okay. Are you ready? Yes. So please let's start. So it's question number 2. Why are 2D games popular again? So who wants?
2D games are popular because almost every child in this world play it because it's interesting
Yeah.
and fun to play.
Yeah, good job. And do you have
And
a?
popular 2D games, Cuphead, Remote, Factors.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, good. So also, do you have answers? Good. I will wait you.
Not yet.
Okay. So good job, guys. Good job. Yeah, I will give you 2 points and 2 points for you. Thank you. That's true. Okay. Have you done? Okay. Okay. So your question is,
Which game, 2D or 2D, would you prefer to play?
yeah.
Why?
Uh-huh.
I would choose 3D games because maybe because of I'm playing these games every day and I'm still on computer all day and 3D games is the future and
The
3D
future.
games is more realistic,
Yeah.
more interesting and more cool and
More
3D games is the past. I think it's my opinion. It's the
Uh-huh.
past and in the future people will create new 3D games
Yes.
and these games will grow up with new level and now
Okay.
and even
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. I agree with you also. Yeah. So the last. Okay, the last group. Do you have answers?
What are the advantages and disadvantages of 2D games?
Huh?
I think it was because I was in a 2D game. I could play it in real life.
Okay.
The
Good.
difference is unhealthy for use ice.
For unhealthy for
Use ice.
our eyes. Okay, good job. Okay, thank you. Thank you, guys. So, at the end, our lesson, yeah? Let's feedback. Please take your phones now. Take your phones. Do you have a phone? So, wait a minute. Okay. Okay, guys, at the end our lesson, I would like to want your comments to me. So take out your phones and you can write down on our chat, yeah? Okay, let's go. How do you think our... Oh, the lesson was very interesting and we learned more new information. Okay, thank you. Bibaras, okay, Aynas. Thank you. So, thank you, teacher. Okay, yes, of course, you are winners. So, also, yeah, thank you. And okay, thank you. So the lesson. At the end, I will give you home task. Yeah, exercise number 6 and 7 on page 41. It's your home task for the next lesson. Yeah. Yes, we should match the words. In the next test, we should choose the correct word. Yeah. Okay, students, it's over of the lesson. Yeah. So thank you for your participating. So goodbye, children. Goodbye, teacher. Thank you. Have a nice day. So thanks.